You can expect a lot from the 2014 Kia Optima. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Kia infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.